Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the height of your boat on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the second option, the My Boat. In the boat section you can find the third option, the height, and just drag it the circle to the number that suits you and click to the OK and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.